So, hi, my name is Aakash Shinde and I belong to Pune. So, I opted for a program for in data science analytics. So, I belong to Pune. I reside near Vimannagar Airport, and my family, there are four members: my father, my mother, my wife, and my brother, younger brother. So, my father is an ex-army person, my mother is a homemaker, and my wife is a fashion designer. My brother is a master's in commerce. So before enrolling to Imarticus Learning, I have been doing my graduation in BSc Mathematics, and at that time, the same time, the COVID scenario was going on. We were sitting in the home, studying lectures, online lectures, and preparing for my exam. And for a while, it was like searching for new stuffs, what can help me to build up career, regularly learning new things, and what should I do in my future. So that planning I was doing before I joined Imarticus Learning. So Imarticus Learning, it was really easy, I should say. So it was, at first it was my choice, like okay, what I have to learn in my career. Okay, I have to go in IT. Then there was a counselor who I met in the Imarticus Learning who actually helped me to focus. Okay, what should be very good for me? They analyze me, like okay, what's your goods are, what's your bads are, and on the base of that they told me what course should I prefer. So based on that, I prefer the data science and analytics course, and which actually gave a U-turn to my career, life and everything, and now it's very going great. I think the curriculum is up to the mark. It covers each and everything, each perspective of right now what's going in the data science, and all the teachers and staffs are really helpful and have the knowledge at stake. So every curriculum from the supervised learning, the SQL, Python, Excel, deep learning, neural networks, LLM, every topic has been covered, and everything has been taught by an experienced person who has a working experience in the same domain. So all the way from the start to end, each and everything has been covered in this course, and I think that's the all which we need to pursue our career in the data science field. Sure, I will definitely recommend this course. The first thing, why should I will recommend this course, is because of the counseling faculty and the continuous support that you get from this Imarticus Learning. And basically, the courses can be got from whenever and from wherever you want. But the thing is, the constant support and the perfect management of the course is how it's been planned over here. That will help you to grow in your career and achieve the goal.